And the next pose we're going to do is reverse tabletop. So in reverse tabletop, it's called Ardha Purvottanasana. Liz is going to go ahead and bring her feet to the mat, bring her knees up. She's going to bring her hands behind her back. And instead of doing like the plank, she's going to come into a tabletop, but a reverse tabletop. She's going to lift her pelvis up. So the only difference is her knees are, the knee joint itself is flexed instead of extended. But this is really good, again, for the tricep muscles and also for the core. And then from here, if you'd like, you can modify it by having your student bring her left leg up into the air. And then bring the leg down when you're ready and bring the other leg up in the air. And this just makes it more challenging. Coming back to center, I like to finish it by having the students still push their hips up. Sometimes they start to sag a little bit, and then slowly coming out of it and breaking that asana.